Okay, good afternoon, class. Welcome back to our science class. All right, so this is teacher LM. How are you this afternoon, kids? Did you have a great day? Okay, so this morning we studied about skip counting by five, right? But this afternoon we were going to study science, okay? So let's continue our lesson from yesterday about the five senses. So yesterday we studied the sense of smell. Okay, let's review first about the sense of smell. All right. So there are seven types of sensation of sense of smell. Those are camphor, musk, flower, mint, either X, acrid, or putrid. Putrid. Okay. So remember, class, your nose let you smell, and it's a big part of why you are able to taste things. So the nose is also the main gate to the respiratory system, your body system for breathing. So if you don't have nose, it's really hard for you to breathe properly. So the sense of smell is sometimes lost for a short time when a person has a cold. Okay, now let's talk about the parts of the nose. Okay, so the part of the nose are, look at the picture. There is olfactory bulb, nasal cavity, nostril, hard palate, and soft palate. Now let's get to know them more. So nostrils, the two holes in our nose. So these two holes in our nose, that is nostril. And septum, a wall separated the nostrils and the nasal passages. Okay, so here, okay, this might be the septum. Okay, so cartilage, which is flexible material that's firmer than skin or muscle. So this one here also, there's a soft part of your nose that is called cartilage. So nasal cavity is behind your nose in the middle of your face, and it connects the back of the throat. Okay, so here, that is the nasal, nasal cavity. Okay, so palate is separated the nasal cavity from the inside of your mouth. Okay, so that is palate. So here. So these are the parts of your nose. Now, let's practice more about the sense of smell. All right, class. So in your book, you can see this activity in your book. Okay, you can answer after watching this video. All right, so in your book at page 18, you can answer this one. Okay, so it says here how to answer this activity. You use you use your nose to smell. This is your sense of smell. Look at each picture. Circle the pictures that show things you can smell. So for example, flower in the first column, we have flower because we can smell flower. How about the second picture? We have bell, bird, and trash bin. Okay, trash bin. Okay, you can smell the trash bin. And the last column, we have the flower and the smell of the grilling meat. Okay, next one, draw a line. How to answer? Draw a line from the nude to the pictures that you smell. Okay, so we will draw a line. So we have here calculator, a girl who's touching the flowers. I don't know what animal is it. Let's say squirrel, and the smell of the cookies, perfume, the sun and the cloud, the smelly shoes, and a garbage. Okay, let's answer. We have perfume. You're going to use your nose to smell it. And shoes, a smelly shoes. Next, a garbage. And the smell of the animal, squirrel. And the smell of the cookie. And last one, we have flowers. All right, so these are the pictures that you can smell. Now, next activity we have how to answer. Check the pictures that you can smell. Okay, now we're going to check the picture that we can smell. Okay, first we have flower. Next we have the chicken. Next we have fish. And last one, we have the flower. Okay, these are the things that you can smell. So I hope class you are now master and you are now able to identify what are the things that you use your nose to smell things. Okay? So that would be all for this afternoon class. I hope you have a great weekend. This is Teacher LM and wish you have a good day. Goodbye class. See you again on Monday.